So I went from this, you can see my earning here. I went from this, which is 0.01 in in-stream ad and 0.16 in ads on Reel. I went from this to this, which is 199.22 in in-stream ad and 64.43 in ads on Reel. How did I do it? Okay, let me tell you, in this video I'll be telling you on how you can increase your in-stream ad revenue and ads on Reel revenue on Facebook. That is, in summary, how to increase your earnings on Facebook. That's what this video will be all about. So I'll be showing you this video on these guys who, let me play this video so that you will see.
622,000 views, 0.50 cents. 622,000 views. In case you don't hear me, 0.50 cents.
That's enough. That's enough. Okay, there's something I would like to explain to you on this. Is just a secret. Please listen to this, watch this video to the end to understand this secret I'm about to tell you, how you can increase your in-stream ad and your ads on Reel revenue. That is how to just increase your Facebook ad revenue, your Facebook revenue, how to increase your money on Facebook. Just listen carefully so that you understand. It's just a secret. Okay, before we go deep down, let me explain something about you. There's something about earning. There's what they call RPM. Let's go to Google, and is it Google anyhow, to check what's the meaning of RPM. Okay, RPM means revenue per thousand. Okay, RPM, or revenue per thousand, is a metric used in advertising to estimate how much money is earned for every 1,000 ad impression, page views, or queries. Okay, this simply means the money your advertisers pays you for 1,000 views on your content. That's just what it means. So there's, apart from RPM, there's what they call CPC, which is cost per click. Okay, Facebook or YouTube will usually pay you using these two parameters. Okay, let's talk about CPC before we discuss more on why you're earning and not much like this. Okay, CPC means cost per click. Cost per click means CPC. It means how much advertisers pay you for each advert that runs on your content. That is the meaning of CPC. Okay, let me go deep down and just show you some countries that pays high CPC. That means for each ad that runs on your video or on your content, how much they pay you. Like countries like the United States of America. In this content, it says the United States consistently ranks as one of the countries with highest CPC, with a robust digital advertisement, that is advertising, marketing, and high purchasing power. Businesses are willing to invest significantly in online ads. The United States CPC rate is about $0.61, and the click-through ratio is around 0.75 cents. What does this mean? It means that adverts being watched in the United States of America are being placed around 0.61. Okay, let me tell you something. If an ad is being watched in the United States of America, let's assume you are in Ghana and you're a content creator who stays in Ghana, and somebody from the United States of America, maybe a fan of yours from the United States of America, watches your video and an ad is being placed on your content, there's a high CPC, which is the cost per click on that video, than somebody who stays in Ghana, in your own country, watching that video. The person who stays in Ghana watching that video will give you lower revenue because the economy of Ghana is lower than that of the United States. That's one thing I want you to understand. And again, there's something I want to explain to you. Your earnings are being rewarded based on the audience that comes to your content. If 1,000 American citizens come to your content to watch your videos, there's high probability that you're going to get high revenue from that content than 1,000 people from Ghana watching that videos. I'm so sorry if my words are hurting the Ghanaians, but that's just the truth. Economy plays a big role in your ad revenue. So what do you need to do in this kind of case? So every bad economy impacts your revenue, either badly or worstly. Sorry to use that word, but let me tell you, if you get majority of your views from a country where their revenue are very bad, I bet your income or your revenue is going to be very bad too. Because I'm saying this thing because there are many people who says I make 1 million views, but they are paying me $1. I got 1 million views, but my earning is not even up to $10. Okay, let me explain something for you. Just know that your views from a country where the economy is bad will impact your revenue. Okay, let's assume you made 1 million views from a country where the economy is bad. Okay, remember I said they will pay you per 1,000 views, which is they'll pay you each earning that is coming to your revenue is based on 1,000 views, which is your RPM. Okay, now so just imagine a country where their CPC is around $0.00001, which is not even up to a cent. There are countries, I don't want to mention any country name just to avoid issues. Okay, just imagine having 1 million views from a country where their CPC is like this. Okay, let's multiply this amount by your 1,000 RPM. So in 1,000 RPM, you'll be making $0.01 per every 1,000 views. Okay, let's say equals to, remember in 1 million views you have, okay, 1 million divided by 1,000, you still get 1,000. Okay, let's multiply this 0.01. So in 1 million views you'll be getting this. So each 1 million views you'll be making $10 in a country where their CPC is very low. So in a nutshell, if you want to increase your earning and if you don't want to be making peanuts, just channel your content to where their economy is very strong. There are countries where their CPC and their RPM are very high, like in the United States of America, the Australia, the Canada. Okay, if you can see here, they say, let's check about Canada. The CPC in Canada is around 0.45 cents. 45 cents. That means this is a very huge amount of money if you make. The United Kingdom, the Germany, the Switzerland, Singapore, Norway, New Zealand, France. These are countries where their economy are very strong. These are countries where they have a very strong economy. So if you can make enough views from these countries, you're going to make enough money. Somebody will be asking, how do I make views from this country? I only make content where maybe people from the Ugandas only watch. How do I make content that will attract people from the United States of America or from Canada or from the United Kingdom? This is the best secret. The best secret you can do is to make content that will even attract somebody who is not from the Uganda. Make content that will attract people from every corner of the world, not just only your regions. Because the more your video goes viral, the more you get more revenue, and the more people in every part of the world, especially the countries where their economy is very strong, will watch your content. And again, there's another way you can make money from your content is making more views. Make sure you farm more views to your channel or to your page, because just imagine somebody making 1 billion views and somebody making 1 million views. They are two total different people. So the more, if you can make more views in your local country, no problem, your earning is going to increase. But if you know you are a struggling person who is struggling for views, you can just channel your content in a way that everybody in the world could watch, like the Mr. Warthog that have been raining consistently, and the songs that is being played is the Uganda song, but he has been viral. The animal has been viral, and people have been watching the content everywhere. So in a nutshell, just use these two things I just said. Number one, Make content that not only your country people is going to watch it, especially if you're in a country where you struggle to make earnings because of low revenue. And number two, make content that you're going to farm more views into your page or your channel. I hope this point I've just said will help you very much. And if you have any question, you can drop a comment under this video so that people can help you. And if you find this video very helpful, please click on the subscribe button and like, and maybe you can share this video to somebody who will need it. Thank you for watching, and bye.